Live well, comfortable life. Use imagination, confident and brave. Every side is how we enjoy our life. Lindsay. Create a better life with better furniture. Lindsay released a new brand strategy in 2019. Committed to becoming the first choice brand for young people to buy furniture for the first time. The new brand VI upgrade in 2020 highlights the brand's young characteristic. 14 years of hard work, Lindsay has become a leading brand in the furniture industry. Sales have grown rapidly for 13 consecutive years. 2020 11/11 Sales Festival turnover exceeded 1.2 billion. Once again, won the Tmall 11/11 Furniture Category Champion. Lindsay has the most complete styles in all categories of products. Provide a diverse variety of furniture products for over 10 million families through accurate big data analysis, insights into user needs. Design furniture that meets the preferences of young people. At the same time, a perfect quality control system ensure the quality of each product. Lindsay opened the first offline experience store in 2014 through an efficient digital operation and management, implement online and offline data sharing, breakthrough flow sealing, promote stores from China to the world in a short time. Australia and Singapore, Malaysia, and other overseas countries have Lindsay Shop. Global Store Growth Plan. Lindsay has started the whole house customization project in 2020. Create an innovative business model of one-stop shopping for whole house customization plus finished furniture plus household items. Leading the whole house customization to diversification. We have over 200,000 square meters of digital warehouse center. Comprehensively improve the efficiency of warehousing operations. The shortest delivery time can be completed within 4.9 days. Provide customers with efficient delivery and installation services with many strengths. Lindsay has brands such as Lindsay Kid Series, Whole House Customization, and Lindsay Home, etc. Lindsay will also expand my business globally in the future. Realize the Global 1,000 Stores plan. Provide young consumers with high-quality products and services that cover all their needs. Lindsay looks forward to be with you. Create tens of billions of business together.